Hi, I'm Adam C and welcome to my life looking around some of the UK's best car shows and car meetings, from Japanese shows, British muscle cars and everything in between. Throughout this series on Trax and Broke Boys you'll see everything that the UK has to offer, so don't forget to subscribe to keep an update on all the videos I will be posting and all of the meets that I go to, and check out turtlewax.com for all the products that I mention in these videos. But for now, enjoy! Take a look at that bonnet. Clean engine bays and sticker bombing, lots of turbo sounds, resto modding their cars, and even a couple of proper dragsters. It's a generally lovely atmosphere. So today I will be visiting 3 different shows that all have similarities. They will all be modified car shows. Now the modified car scene in Britain is huge and is rapidly growing. So I have my Nissan 350Z, which is not too modified. I have custom exhaust and a huge spoiler on the back too. And I will first be attending German versus Japanese at Ockham Bites. Then it's on to Trax at Silverstone, probably the largest modified car show in the country. And finally finishing at Broke Boys at the Arena, which is an indoor modified car show. So that will be very interesting to see the differences between all 3 of these shows. Now my car isn't too dirty, but I have been driving it. It's not really worth giving it a full clean, so I'll be using some of Trax and Broke Boys' Wash and Wax Waterless Cleaning. Now the great thing about this Trax and Broke Boys Wash and Wax Waterless Cleaning is it's enriched with wax for a scratch-free finish. So the cloth is able to glide over the paintwork, thus eliminating swirl marks. It also benefits from being water repellent, so especially in this country when it rains a little bit, the water is repelled off the paintwork, thus keeping the car cleaner. Now the first of the modified shows that I'm heading to is hosted somewhere in Surrey, and it's just a morning breakfast meet, so it's free to enter. Anyone can turn up providing you have a Japanese or a German car. So I fit in because I'm in a Japanese car. So it's interesting to see the difference between Japanese and German cars in the way that they modify their cars, because a lot of the cars here today will be modified. So behind me is the German versus Japanese meet, just a breakfast meet in the morning. As you can see, there's a wide range of cars, whether they be German or Japanese, including these 2 behind me here. We've got a Volkswagen Beetle with a Porsche 993 Targa shell on top and an Audi A4 Avant in a very unique style. There's also modified cars, there's stock cars, there's M3s, 3 Series, Supras, Skylines, all ranging from very modified to not very modified at all, such as my 350Z. This M3 may look fairly standard, but check out the tyre icing on the walls. This Mitsubishi Evo is so clean, he even has to have a mirror to show that it's not just the bodywork that is clean. So I am now at Trax at Silverstone, which is the largest modified car show in the whole of the UK. You may remember from the first episode I did for Trax and Broke Boys back in the beginning of the year, I went to Japfest at this very same venue. So that was the Japanese car. This is for all sorts of cars, not just Japanese. So you've got Clios, Civics, Abarths, hatchbacks, low loaders, muscle cars, anything that has been modified is here. This is a huge event, very different from the breakfast meet that I went to earlier. And the aim is to make your car as unique as possible, with wheels, trim lines, paintwork, even cuddly toys representing your favourite character inside your car. And as with a lot of modified shows, engines are on display with their own unique touches, and certain parts are often categorised into sections such as this Focus RS section with 3 Mark III Focus RSs on display. Obviously some of them still looking stock, but some have a few more visual mods on the front of them, such as this example. And the new trend in this country at least is to use any object you can find to hold up your bonnet. So this person has gone for a spring. And we've got this section, which is very blatantly the Nissan R35 GTR section. And it's great to see liveries on a car. It's a trend that died in the 90s but is gradually coming back. But the variety of cars here is incredible. We've also got lowriders have been bouncing up and down, playing some tricks. Quite unique, interesting to see in the UK, because we don't often see that kind of scene. So I am now at a separate event over in Essex, another part of the UK, and this one is mostly indoors. So people get here at stupid o'clock, get to clean their cars and put them on display indoors with music playing. So as you can see, there's a lot of variety here. There's cars that have been slammed, cars that have been modified in very unique ways. There's neon lights, there's white arches, a lot of camber, a lot of chrome and a lot of clean cars all on display in this what looks like an airport hangar. So a notably very different scene from the ones earlier. But that was pretty much it for my adventures in my 350Z at some of the UK's best modified car shows. So subscribe to Turtle Wax for more videos like this from the rest of the Shine Squad, and check out their website, turtlewax.com, for all the products that I mentioned in this video. But for now, thanks for watching.